Hello everybody, this is Johnny S with another R6 vlog. For the time being, we still are doing the R6 vlogs. I thought I would not be doing them, right? As we still have R6, we're still doing the R6 vlogs. So, in today's topic, we're going to talk about something which I've done previously in Greek, but as I mentioned, because the initial scope of the channel was to be in English, I'm going to try to, at least when I do something in Greek, make sure that I cover it also in English. So in today's topic, I wanted to talk about communication, the lack of communication that exists. And to be honest, the reason why I did this in Greek is because it much more applies to Greece rather than other countries. I have noticed that in Greece people seem to be a little bit, how shall I say this politely? There is no way to say this politely. They don't give a shit, they don't give a flying rat's ass. That can be part of our culture, that relaxed shit that we have, alright, fair enough. But in some cases it means that we don't give a shit, simple as that. Communication wise, like what the fuck, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's a small topic, I don't want to take too much of your time. It has become evident to me these last days because I am in the process of buying and selling my bike, selling this bike and buying another one last months, but anyway. And it seems as if, you know, everybody does whatever the fuck they feel like doing. No one is speaking truthfully. Everybody's talking their own bullshit. It's just bullshit. I'll keep it as simple as possible. It's just bullshit. And I think it's a Greek characteristic, you know what I mean? Us here in Greeks is like, yeah, whatever, yeah, fucking yeah, what? Which makes it very difficult, you know what I mean? In theory, I'm going through a process of changing my bike, you know, selling this one, getting something new. New for me. I mean, used bike, but you get what I'm saying. And it's supposed to be a happy process, you know what I mean? It's supposed to be something that I should be excited, and I am excited, don't get me wrong, you know what I mean? I am excited, I'm a little bit scared, I'm a little bit cautious, I'm a little bit thoughtful, I'm a little bit whatever the fuck you want. It's a whole bunch of mixed feelings that I'm feeling and I'm going through, which is, you know, good, interesting to say the least. But I am unable to enjoy this process as much as I would like to enjoy this process because of things such as like the communication, which is happening, and it's especially noticeable between people buying and selling. I mean, you can notice it on other things also, but one of the things which becomes very evident is buying and selling. Buying a bike, selling a bike, or whatever you're buying and selling. It becomes very evident, you know what I mean? And I can bring a couple of examples without stating specifics. There's been a couple of people that have called me for my bike and they've said things such as like, I'm really interested, it looks nice, please tell me a little bit about it. So you spend time talking with these people about your bike, which is time, and time equals money, you know what I mean? I don't want to be wasting my time if you're not fucking serious. I mean, if you're just like a little kid and you got, you know, plentiful of time, you got nothing better to do, you just want to fuck around, go fuck around somewhere else, you know what I mean? We're serious here and we're trying to fucking buy and sell things. Some people put an advertisement just to see if their bike is worth something. Other people do it for other reasons, which I cannot fathom. Give me 1 second. Go through this and we'll be right back. So okay, one of the things that I've noticed is, like I said, you know, people are not serious when it comes to doing things. They say one thing, but they mean something else. Yeah, I want to sell my bike. They're bullshitting, you know what I mean? So I'm not this type of a person. I'm not keen to play these mind games. When I say something, I mean that something. When I say I'm going to do this and this and this, I'll do this and this and this. If I say I want to sell my bike, I mean I want to sell my fucking bike, you know what I mean? I'm not a person that will play games, and you know, I'm not into theater, let's say, put it as simple as that. In general, okay, I'm not saying that I disclose every single goddamn personal information about me, but I try to be as truthful as possible, and this is what I would like to advise everybody. And like again, I say, so I don't get, you know, misinterpreted, this is an issue which is mainly evident in Greece, you know what I mean? Greek people are the ones that usually do this, which is, you know, an unfortunate thing. So another example is that, okay, let's say some guys will talk on the phone, I like your bike, so forth, yeah, okay, you know, I would like to get my mechanic to check your bike. Where do you live? I'm there, okay, I'm here. Would you like to arrange for you to take your bike to my mechanic, so they can check it? Yeah, no problem. Just send me the details, as long as they're within the area. Yeah, okay, fair enough. And I will take it to him, okay? And I tell them, you know what I mean, you can take at any point of time that you want. I don't have to be there. I don't have to be present, you know. As long as you go to my mechanic and you tell him, you know, I'm from so-and-so, it's alright. I don't have to be fucking also there to check it. My mechanic is going to check it, you know what I mean? And their response is, yeah, okay, good. So, and they never go. They never go because they don't have the time to go. They never go because they wanted to go later. I don't know what the circumstance is, and because there's a lack of communication, as I said previously, it is also the reason why I don't know. You know what I mean? If you're busy, let people know. You know what I mean? Communicate. Everybody has the schedule. Everybody is waiting for shit to happen. You can't just fucking not talk and let the other guy imagine different scenarios in his brain. And also I heard from many people that, you know, you're focusing onto it too much. Don't worry about it, try not to think about it. That's fucking moronic. What do you mean trying not to think about it? What do you mean trying to think about it? I'm fucking excited about selling and buying a bike. Obviously I'm gonna think about it. If I ain't gonna think about it, I'm gonna fucking be hypocritical. You know what I mean? I should be thinking about it, and even though I'm supposed to be thinking about it, I am called to, let's say, you know, not overly focus on it, which is fucking moronic, you know what I mean? That should not be the case. Today, by the way, I'm driving on 6th gear. I don't know if you've noticed, but I haven't changed a single time the gear. I wanted to see if you're able to drive this bike in 6th gear from slow speeds to bigger speeds. So far so good. It seems that it is doable. This is how some people behave when it comes to selling their bike, and also additionally when you want to buy your bike, it's the same thing, you know what I mean? I've called the guy and I told him I like your bike, my mechanic is here and here, and then I call my mechanic, has it come? No. Has it come? No. I can't keep on fucking calling my mechanic every 2 seconds, has it come, has it come? I told him when it comes, you know, please do let me know. And he will say something like, yeah, sure, no problem, I'll let you know. Anyway, fucking stupid people, you know, I mean, stupid people, no communication. People putting advertisements on the internet for different strange reasons, which I don't know. I don't care, to tell you the truth. If you're going to put something on the fucking internet and you're advertising your bike, now we change the gears. So all this time I was 6th gear. Yeah, you could do it. From 90 kilometers an hour to much more kilometers per hour, you can actually just be on the 6th gear. Which might mean that it's a little bit more economical. It doesn't have the kick, the pull, I mean the acceleration, which is something that I like. But yeah, if you want to be a little bit more chilled out, let's say, I'm going through this process, which is very fucked up process. I mean, silly process, for no fucking reason. People are not straightforward, you know what I mean? And I'm a kind of relatively, or at least I consider myself that 90% of the time I'm straightforward. You know what I mean? I always call somebody back, even if I change my mind. It's nothing to be ashamed of, you know what I mean? Just fucking call them up, say, listen, you know, I was interested in your bike, but now I'm not. Now I'm not, because of this and this reason, or because I don't want to disclose what reason. Whatever, man, whatever. Just fucking let the guy know, you know what I mean? Don't let, like, at the moment I am at a stage where I'm just fucking left fucking hanging and guessing. Why did this guy do this? Sometimes they don't talk nothing, they don't give me any fucking indication, like, yeah, we'll sell it, and they fucking take the fucking advertisement out. Like, what the fuck? Did you sell it? Were you kidding? Dude, I mean, for the fucking love of God, man, I'm trying to guess what the fuck is happening, which has put me in a whole sense of like, you know, you're like in the in-between. Why? Because people are in the between. Because people are in the fucking between. You're in the in-between, and you're thinking to yourself that, you know, at some point I'm gonna fucking sell my bike, at some point I'm gonna buy a bike, at some point I'm gonna find somebody that's a fucking proper serious fucking person that is actually speaking truth, you know what I mean, not fucking bullshitting all the fucking time. At some point. And that some point is a little bit fucked, you know what I mean? And especially difficult, which is another thing that some people don't fucking understand. I was trying to explain it, is we're not fucking millionaires and billionaires here, guys. Not fucking millionaires and billionaires. I mean, I don't have the fucking money running out of my ass. I'm trying to sell a bike and buy a fucking bike, you know what I mean? So obviously, me selling my bike is related to me getting the fucking money to buy the bike. You know what I mean? If you got fucking people which are like Oompa Loompas, how the fuck are you gonna time those two things? You know what I mean? If I'm simultaneously looking, I'm calling guys, and I'm simultaneously getting calls from guys. Yeah, but if either one of these motherfuckers is being silly like they are, you know what I mean? Like, let's say the best case scenario, I find something that I like, and I call them, and he goes to my mechanic, which so far they've been fucking morons. And my mechanic says, yeah, it's a fucking awesome bike, buy it. Where the fuck am I gonna give him the money? If everybody that I'm trying to sell my bike is being a fucking moron, is being a retard. Where the fuck? Fuck these goddamn roads, man. These fucking stupid roads in Greece here. Fucking retard roads. Retard roads. Fucking potholes everywhere. They can't fucking fix them. Fucking morons. Yeah, where the fuck am I gonna get the money? The vice versa is better when it comes to actually me buying the bike. But it does cause an issue when it comes to transportation. I've been taking my wife's bike for so long that she's turned around and told me that, you know, fucking relax. Stop taking my fucking bike, it's summertime, I want to fucking enjoy it as well. So, and I understand it, you know what I mean? It's understandable. What the fuck is it doing, man? Where the fuck does it want to go? Oh, fucking. Which again causes an issue, you know what I mean? And you're not going to be able to time it perfectly. Fair enough, but there's a difference between timing it perfectly, and there's a difference between having no fucking clue what's gonna fucking happen because everybody's being a goddamn retard. You know what I mean? There's a huge fucking difference there. Anyway, guys, I don't want to take too much of your time. This is an update of where I am. I still haven't accomplished to buy or sell this bike, as you can see. What the fuck is gonna happen? It's gonna show. It's gonna show. Anyway, I'll bid you goodbye. I hope you're all safe. Have a good, great day. And to those people that maybe have not thought about what I'm talking about now, you're gonna give it a little bit of a thought. Try not to think only of yourself. Try to think of the other person and how your behavior, you know, affects, or how would you like them to behave to you. You know what I mean? Because what you put out there is what you get. You know what I mean? Try to be fucking communicative. Try to be fucking truthful. Anyway, that's about it from me, guys. Like I said, I hope you have a good day, and we'll talk soon. Goodbye.